Managing translations isn't just about converting words, it's about speed, consistency, and coordination. That's where Smartcat comes in, a powerful AI-driven platform built to simplify translation and localization for teams, freelancers, and businesses alike. At its core, Smartcat combines AI translation, collaboration tools, and project management all in one place. You can upload documents or website content and instantly get high-quality AI translations. But what makes it different is the ability to edit in real time with your team, assign tasks, leave comments, and track everything in one dashboard. Another standout feature is its marketplace, with access to over 500,000 verified translators. If the AI isn't perfect, you can easily bring in human experts for niche topics or quality assurance. Smartcat also integrates with popular platforms like Figma, Google Drive, WordPress, and HubSpot, so you can translate content right from where you work. Let's talk pros. Fast and reliable AI translations, all-in-one system for managing translation workflows, real-time collaboration and editing, access to top freelancers through the built-in marketplace, scalable, works for individuals and large teams. And the cons: new users may find the interface a bit complex. Human editing services can get expensive, best suited for ongoing translation projects, not one-off tasks. Final thoughts? If you're dealing with content in multiple languages and want to combine AI speed with human quality, Smartcat is one of the most complete platforms out there in 2025. It's not just a tool, it's a full ecosystem for modern translation work.